Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to learn about how to create a React application. Okay, I know many have made this video, but I'm starting as a new YouTuber. So I'm going to start the React series with my experience. So let me show you. Just open a terminal. In Mac, like open your terminal. In Windows, PowerShell will be good, and any terminal will be okay. So we are going to install React application using a npx package. So npx create React app. Let's create a to-do application. So I'm going to give you this as to-do. So it is going to take a time. So like to download it from my npx library. Let's wait for some time. So you can see as React is a library, right? It is not a framework. It requires three to four libraries together to work as a framework, right? To render on a browser, it requires a React DOM, similar to the actual DOM on a browser. And React, it is a library. And to run a script in a React application, it needs React script package. And CRA template, this is a template where our React application is going to create. Once everything is downloaded over here, we are going inside the to-do application, right? See, now everything is completed. Let's do list files. So let's go into the to-do. Just open in a VS Code. Here to do our React application, we are going to use the VS Code as it supports n number of dependency libraries in a application manager. Right? This is the extension package. There you can download n number of libraries. They are the extension. They are going to use outside only, not for React. But your code will become easy. Means like doing a coding will be easy. So let me open a terminal to run a React application. First time, just open a terminal and just see you are inside exactly to do folder. So open it. To run React application, we are going to use npm run start. This npm run start, it is written inside a package.json. Already, as we mentioned, right, you can see we have a React scripts. Inside that, like there is a start script, right? There they have already written a command. Just you need to use the npm package, okay, to run this. Just like npm run, just if you give the command over here, right, start, it is going to run. Let's go to the browser and see if our application is running or not. See, our application is running. It is already the pre-built application of a React. Where you will find that pre-built application, from where the React application is rendering, go inside the app.js inside the source folder. Let me show you header to header. I'm going to delete. If I go to the browser, see the blank screen came. I'm going to render one h1 tag over here. H1. Hello, I am learning React. Let me see if it is coming on browser or not. See the h1 is coming over here. You can render a paragraph tag also. I am a paragraph. See the paragraph is it is also rendering. Whatever the HTML tags you are going to put inside the this div tag, everything is going to render on the browser. In a general, if you can say in React after React 16, we are using the functional components, right? There are two components in React. One is a class component, one more is a functional component. But from React 16, we are mostly using a functional component. Just see, functional component is a component of React which starts with a capital letter. Okay. Other things related to the function component, from where every application is running. I'm going to explain them in a next video, coming videos. So if you like my video and if you want more videos, something like this, please do like and subscribe. Thank you guys.